Welcome to the exercise of 15.1 and question number 19. In this question, a child has a die over that marked A, B, C, D, E and A. तो इस तरह से there are 6 faces on the die और इस पे 2A और B, C, D, E marks हैं. इसमें हमें find out करना है कि probability of getting A. First part of probability of getting A. So there are 2A out of 6. So probability of getting A and its event equal to that of 2 upon 6. Because total of 6 outcome in which 2 are the favorable outcome to us. That's why the probability of this event to getting A is 2 upon 6 and this is of 1 upon 3. And second part we have to find out the probability of getting D. So there is one option, there is one element outcome for this favorable to D. So probability of getting D equal to that of 1 out of 6 and this probability is 1 upon 6. And this is the answer of question number 19, first and second part. Question number of 20 is given in this we drop a die so that die fall into the circle. एक रेक्टेंगल है 3 मीटर बाई 2 मीटर और इसके अंदर एक सर्किल बना हुआ है. वी आर थ्रोइंग अ डाई, पुटिंग अ डाई. तो इस तरह से ये डाई जो है सर्किल में पड़ेगी. इसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी? इसके लिए दिस इज द केस ऑफ एरिया. वी विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ सर्किल and total area. So area of circle divided by total area, that will be the probability of die that landing up on the circle. ये probability होगी जिससे die circle पे land up करे. तो किसी भी केस में area related questions होगा कि what will be the something which is put inside the सर्किल और एनी ऑफ द, इसमें यहाँ पे स्क्वायर होता या अदर कोई भी फिगर होता तो उसकी भी एरिया कैलकुलेट करते. तो we calculate the area of circle equal to pi r square and pi and r square, we r take here radius equal to diameter upon 2 and this equal to 1 upon 2 and pi we take as 22 by 7 and r square that is 1 by 2 square and hence we get this one as 22 by 7 into 1 by 4. We can find out the answer in term of pi also. तो this will be 22 upon 7 4 जा 28. इस तरह से total area that equal to L into V, that is 3 into 2 equal to 6. So probability of that event equal to area of circle which is 22 upon 28 होल डिवाइडेड बाई 6. तो इस तरह से आ जाएगा 22 अपान 28 इंटू 6 एंड दिस विल बी 2 11 जा एंड 2 3 जा, देन दिस इज 11 अपान 8 3 जा 24 एंड 3 2 जा 6 6 एंड 2 8 11 अपान 84. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी जिससे कोई भी डाई लैंड अप इनसाइड द सर्किल. इसमें हमने पहले सर्किल की एरिया फाइंड किया और उसके बाद रेक्टेंगल की एरिया फाइंड किया. नाउ द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट डाई लैंड अप इनटू द सर्किल, दैट विल बी द व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ द सर्किल एरिया इज द दैट ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर एरिया. तो इस तरह से दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ दैट ऑफ 20. ये 20 क्वेश्चन नंबर का आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ 21. इन दिस देर इज गिवन टोटल पेन ऑफ 144 पेन जिनमें 20 डिफेक्टिव हैं एंड नॉन डिफेक्टिव आर 124 व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट डिफेक्टिव पेन फ्रॉम टोटल पेन. अब इसमें क्वेश्चन है कि शॉपकीपर नूरी बाई ए पेन इफ इट इज़ गुड. शॉपकीपर गिव द पेन रेंडमली, नूरी इज बाइंग द पेन. तो इस तरह से शी विल बाई इफ इट इज़ गुड and she will not buy if it is not good. So first part we have to find out here the probability that she will buy it. So we have to find out the probability of good one. अगर ये पेन गुड होगी तो वो बाई करेगी, अदरवाइज पेन गुड नहीं होगी तो बाई नहीं करेगी। इस तरह से रेंडमली शॉपकीपर पेन नूरी को देता है। नूरी इज गोइंग टू बी बाई द पेन टू द शॉप, and here total pen 144 are there, out of which 20 are defective and non-defective are 124. So first option, that it is she will buy it. She will buy it. So probability of this event, that equal to probability of good one, that is 124 upon 144. और इस तरह से we can cancel out by this, 4 3 are 12, 4 1 are 4 and 4 3 are 12, 4 6 are 24, and 31 upon 36 is the probability that she will buy it. And second में she will not buy it, so we can write down the probability of this event, she will not buy it. Then probability of that event, she will not buy it, that will be defective, probability of defective one. So probability of that event equal to defective one are 20, out of that of total pen are 144, and then we can write it as 4 5 is 20 and 4 36 जा, then this equal to 5 upon 36. तो इस तरह से इसमें वो खरीदेगी। अगर ये डिफेक्टिव नहीं होगी तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इन फर्स्ट केस दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नॉन डिफेक्टिव। सेकेंड हमें फाइंड करना है जिसमें वो नहीं खरीदेगी, देन प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ डिफेक्टिव वन, पेन विल बी डिफेक्टिव, देन शी विल नॉट बाई इट। तो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ 21. Question number of 22, this is given, we have to refer the 13 of the example question and we have to complete the table. Sum when a die is thrown twice, or that is of 2 die, number that appearing whose sum is 2. तो देखिए sum is 2, there is one part of this option, there is only one, and number appearing that is 3, it has a 2 option, and number that is sum up to the 4, so this is 1 3 4 2 2 4 3 1 4, there is 3 option in this, and number that appearing to be 5, this one, and then 1 2 3 and 4 option are there where sum get up 5, and these probabilities are 1 upon 36, 2 upon 36, 3 upon 36, 4 upon 36, and similarly we get sum as 6 sum होगा, then 1 5 2 4 1 2 3 4 5, there will be 5 upon 36. Similarly sum will get 7, in that 7 it is of 617 257 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. There is the 6 case, 6 upon 36. Sum will get 8. In that case, this is 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 6 2. That is 1 2 3 4 5 option are there. So 5 upon 36, and this sum will get that of total 9. So in 9 6 3 5 4 4 5, and this is of total 4 upon 36. Similarly, sum give up 10. So 10 is that of 4 6 5 5 6 4, and total of sum give up 3 upon 36. Sum give up 11, in that two cases are 5 6 and 6 5, and 5 6 and 6 5 we write 2 upon 36, and 6 6 has 1 upon 36. तो यहाँ पर when we throw 2 die, then there is the total outcome that is of 36, और total outcome 36 होगा, जिसमें we have to find out the sum on 2 die, that is 2. So there is one option in this, 1 upon 36 will be the probability of this event, and sum will be 3. So 1 2 and 2 1, there is 2 option, 2 upon 36, and 1 3 2 2 and 3 1, there is the 4 option in it. So 4 5, and if we find out the total sum, then it is of 36 upon 36. So the probability of all these events are that of same 1 3 3 1 4 to 6 6 4 10 10 5 15 15 6 21 5 26 4 30 and 30 after that 33 and this is of 35 and 36. Total probability of this is 35 36 upon 36. So this is the probability of, this is the answer of question number of 22 जिसमें सभी डाइज का. तो in this second part of the question is there a student saying that the outcome 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 all these has probability of 1 upon 11. So these are not equally likely. ये equally likely नहीं है, इसलिए सभी की probability 1 upon 11 नहीं होगी. डाई का सम 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 आएगा और इन सब की probabilities different है. और इस तरह से this is the answer that no, and this is the answer of question number of 22. Question number of 23 is a game consists of a tossing a 1 rupees coin 3 times. When 1 rupees coin tossed 3 times, then we get the total outcome as 8, and this is of 2 to the power 3 and total of 8 outcome. Or 8 outcome on tossing of coin 1 time we get head or tail, and then tossing of coin 2 times we get 2 options, that is head and tail, and that is head head and head tail and tail head, and that's of tail tail. This is the 4 option when we toss coin 2 times, and on tossing of coin 3 times there will be 4 other options like this: head head and head, and after that head tail head, and then tail head and head and tail tail head, and then other option is like that of head head tail and head tail tail and tail head tail and tail tail tail. So these are total of 8 outcome when a coin is tossed, that of 3 times. And this question is given कि honey bin if all the tosses give up the same result, that is 3 head or that of 3 tail, 3 head or 3 tail if he get. So there is 2 option 1 and 2. So probability of honey will win the game, probability that honey will lose the game. So here are total of 6 options in which we do not get same result. सभी पे same result आए, इसका ऑप्शन हम लोगों के पास केवल 6 पार्ट में है. तो इस तरह से दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी ऑफ द इवेंट इक्वल टू 6 upon 8. Total of 6 option there, and 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Probability of this event is 3 by 4. When tossing a coin of 3 times, this result 3 head or 3 tail 2 times and other are like of 6 times. So honey will lose the game if he get different result, like not same result. तो same result दो ही केस में हैं, तो इस तरह से इसकी probability 3 upon 4 होगी. And this is the answer of question number of 23. Question number of 24 is throwing a die twice or dice thrown 2 times, that is the same result, और total of 36 outcome will get. इस तरह से when die is thrown 2 times, 2 बार die को throw करें, या die is thrown twice simultaneously, we get total of 36 result. And in this 36 result, we have to find out in the first case 5 will not come up on either time. Either means किसी भी एक में 5 ना आए. तो we have to find out the probability that 5 will not come up on either time. So there are option that 5 will come. This is of 1, 2, and that of this is 3, and 4, and here it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. There are 11 times that 5 come up. So on subtracting 36 minus 11 we get 25. So 25 times 5 will not come up. In 25 result, five will not come up. So probability of this event will be that equal to 25 upon 36. इस तरह से 25 रिजल्ट में 5 नहीं आएगा और इस तरह से 11 रिजल्ट में 5 आ रहा है किसी भी एक में, आइदर मीन्स एनी ऑफ दैट, किसी भी टाइम में 5 will come up at least once. So second part we have to find out 5 will come at least once. 5 कम से कम एक बार आए तो 5 will come up at least twice also. So there are total of 11 times that of 5 will come up. So probability of this event will be 11 upon 36. इस क्वेश्चन में डाई को 2 बार थ्रो किया गया, टोटल आउटकम वी गेट एज 36 और इसमें फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमें बोला गया है कि 5 विल नॉट कम ऑन आइदर टाइम, मतलब किसी भी टाइम में किसी भी थ्रो में 5 नहीं आना चाहिए. सो देर आर टोटल ऑफ 11 ऑप्शन इन विच 5 विल लैंड अप. सो इन 25 रिजल्ट 5 will not come up. So probability of that event is 25 upon 36 and 11 times 5 will come up. So second part we have to find out 5 will come up at least once. So 5 will come at least twice also, once and twice. So we get the 11 time and probability of this event will be 11 upon 36. And this is the answer of question number of 24. Question number of 25 is there. Is first part of the question. It is asked that 2 coin are tossed. So when 2 coin are tossed, जब 2 coin toss करेंगे we will get total of 4 result, not 3 result. इसमें बोला रहा there are 3 possible outcome. So there are not 3 possible outcome. Total of 4 outcomes are there. Head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. These are the 4 possible outcome. And 2 head or 2 tail each one, therefore each these outcome will be probability 1 upon 3. So this is not correct. So probability of each one we get 2 head or 2 tail, and 2 head or 2 tail we get the probability as 1 upon 4, and probability of this event will be equal to 1 upon 4, not of 1 upon 3. 2 head or 2 tail, 2 head here, 2 tail here. So probability of any of that event is 1 by 4, not 1 by 3. यहाँ पर total outcome 4 होंगे when coin is tossed 2 times, then head head, head tail or tail head, tail tail we get total possible outcome. So 2 head or 2 tail we get, each one has a probability of that of 1 upon 4. और इस तरह से सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज़ गिवन दैट अ डाई इज थ्रोन. सो देयर आर टोटल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the total outcome when die is thrown, and we have to find out an odd number. So probability of this event, and there are odd numbers equal to 1, 3, 5. There are 3 numbers that are odd numbers. So probability of this event is 3 upon 6, and this equal to 1 upon 2. And even number, there are even number, and these are 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6 are even number. So probability of this event also equal to 3 upon 6, and this is 1 upon 2. So probability of this event are equal, probability of even number or probability of odd number. So second option is true. Second part of this is true, and this is the answer of question number of 25. Thank you.